Introducing Rover. Set a goal and unleash your rover on the world. How do I fetch a rover? If I own or have captured the Munzee, I need to get within 300 feet, select the Munzee details, touch the rover icon, and fetch. If you haven't captured the Munzee, you locate and capture the Munzee, then touch the rover icon pop-up at the bottom of the screen, then fetch. Here are some screenshots. Got a red icon that I've already captured, and you can see the rover in the middle. You get within 300 feet, and then you use the rover icon. This will bring up the rover interaction screen. When I push this button, it pops up and says that I can fetch this rover. Rover is now in my kennel. I've also got a green Munzee that I have not captured, so when I go to this green Munzee that I've not captured with rover, I would use the capture button as usual. When I push that, I need to get that Munzee in the viewer, and then it says congrats, and there's a rover icon at the bottom. I would push this rover icon again so that I can get the screen, and then fetch this rover, and it again says he's in my kennel. So I unleash a rover on a Munzee that I own or have captured by going to that list and using the same button. If I've not captured it, I would go and I would need to capture that Munzee. Again, I go back into the list and get to the details page and always use this rover interaction button. Then I'm able to click the unleash button, which will then tell me the rover was unleashed. Woof. If I want to do this on a brand new Munzee, I would deploy it, then go to the unfiltered list and select the Munzee details once again, and always use that rover icon. In the kennel, you can interact with the rovers that you have, and it will tell you some details about them, and then on the map you can see where the rovers have already gone and visited, and it will show you the eventual goal. So the goal for this one was in Europe. Anytime that I see this rover interaction button at the bottom and I push it, it will get to this screen. Sometimes you'll see an error which tells me that I can't fetch or unleash, and that means that someone else needs to interact with that rover before I can interact with it once again. This is a brief introduction on the app, and I hope that it will help you to take your rover and unleash it on the world.